Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances ngayong July 2024. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So, let's see. Aquarius, July, money, energies, money, career, finances. Overall energy mo is the Ten of Wands. Nako, ang daming work. Maaring medyo magiging busy ka ngayong July. Oo, nakakapagod, no? Your challenge is the star. Okay. This is your energy also. So, maaring ikaw mismo yung maging challenge ngayong July pagdating sa trabaho mo, career mo. Some of you parang yung masyadong drained, no? Maaring ma-drain kayo ngayong July. Kaya huwag kalimutang alagaan yung sarili, de-stress, reflect, meditate, release nega energies. So your opportunity is the Four of Pentacles and your blessing is the Eight of Wands. So you have the opportunity to have a stable career and finances, no? Ngayong July, maaring mas makakapag-ipon ka ngayon dahil masyado kang busy, masyado kang masipag, marami kang ginagawa, nagmo-multitask ka. Yun nga lang, it might take a toll on your health, no? Kasi the star is also about healing, yung yung pagiging, tawag dyan, yung well-being mo. So your blessing is the Eight of Wands. I think para kasing wala kang pinapalagpas ngayon na blessings or opportunities ngayong July kasi maraming dumarating, no? So, yun lang, kailangan lang dito, you have to take care of yourself. Kasi aanuhin mo yung sobrang dami mong trabaho at sobrang daming income. Kung part nagagastusin mo sa ospital or sa kalusugan mo. So, mas maganda, prevention is better than cure. Kumbaga, equip yourself, no, na okay lang yan kung maraming work, no, kasi blessing yan. Pero kailangan ready ka. Ready yung katawan mo. 'Di ba? You are taking supplements, you are having good sleep, maayos yung pag-manage mo ng oras mo, schedule mo, and you are also working out, no? Kasi part rin yan ng pag-release ng toxins sa ating katawan. Tignan natin, what is the Ten of Wands? The Six of Swords. Oh, yung iba sa inyo kasi siguro sabay-sabay na nangyayari yung changes ngayon sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, sa business ninyo. Yung iba, yung tipong lumipat ng bagong work. So, syempre, nasa transition period ka, maraming inaasikaso, clearance, and then paperworks, documentations. Yung iba naman, pwedeng paglipat ng bahay, no? Nagkasabay. Maari ring may mga travel opportunities rin kayo na kailangan yung asikasuhin. May mga errands to and from, no? Oo, pabalik-balik. What is the star? The Magician. Alam nyo, if you are manifesting good health, kailangan yung attitude nyo towards your health is also towards being healthy, no, sa pagiging malusog, malakas, masigla. Kasi halimbawa manifest mo, gusto ko I'm manifesting, or you are praying, no, na to give you good health. Pero naman unhealthy yung mga habits mo sa health mo, 'di ba? So, paano ka magiging malusog, malakas, masigla? 'Di ba? So, not calling you out, but ganun talaga. It is what it is. So, you have that opportunity. You know what to do, actually. Alam mo naman kung anong best for you. Kailangan mo lang na panindigan yung mga goals mo. And part ng ng paninindigan mo is to align your actions doon sa goals. What is the Four of Pentacles? Ace of Cups. Oh, some of you, meron kayong new source of happiness, new source of income. I think meron kayong ma-achieve na goal para sa pera ninyo, sa career, sa business ninyo ngayong July. Ay, iba gusto mag-ipon, ma-achieve niyo yung target na savings ninyo ngayong July. Some of you naman, maaring meron kayong bagong trabaho or source of income, business na masaya kayo na ginagawa. Parang hindi siya trabaho sa inyo. What is the Eight of Swords? Eight of Wands. Page of Swords. Para kasing sabay-sabay, no? Na nangyayari. May training ka, meron kang kailangang asikasuhing paperworks. So, nag-aaral ka pa, yung mga ganon. So, it's time to manage your schedule. And of course, this is also clarity. So, I think, ang isa sa blessing mo is, malalaman mo kung ano yung best para sa'yo. No? Na mas dapat mong i-prioritize, mas dapat mong unahin. Okay? Let's see. Yung iba, ang isa sa blessing ninyo is makakapag-aral kayo. Tinan mo, you are lonely. Yung iba sa inyo parang sa sobrang work, parang feeling mo mag-isa ka na lang, feeling mo wala ka ng katuwang sa buhay. Yung iba kasi rito mga breadwinner, so ikaw inaasahan sa family. Tandem cycle, alliance, partnership, yes. So, if you are with someone like romantically, pwedeng itong person that you are dealing with is tutulungan ka. Tutulungan ka sa ginagawa mo. And some of you, partnership rin to, so pwedeng yung iba, you will enter a business partnership. Or maaring magkakaroon ka ng kabady sa work mo na magiging masaya ka na kasama kasi supportive rin siya sa'yo. By the book, o ayun nga, yung iba sa inyo kayo ay mag-aaral. Meron kayong mga ifa-follow na instructions that will lead you to the results na gusto nyo. Example, may ina-applyan kang trabaho, like example sa abroad. So, syempre, hindi naman agad-agad yon na makikita mo agad yung resulta. So, kailangan meron ka munang i-follow ng mga rules nila, yung mga process, ganyan. Fork in the road. Some of you, meron kayong decision making. Meron kayong malaking pagdedesisyonan sa career, trabaho, business, kasi maraming options available sa inyo. So, ngayon, hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pipiliin nyo. And I feel like there is someone na nagbibigay sa iyo ng advice kung alin. Just make sure na mapagkakatiwalaan mo to, trusted mo. Kung hindi, sarili mo yung kailangan mong pagkatiwalaan. Yung instinct mo, sarili mong instinct. What's best for you? Loyal heart. O ayun na nga. Yung iba sa inyo, there is a person in your life na very much supportive sa mga ginagawa mo. And ito yung isa rin sa blessing sa'yo na at least there is someone who cares about you, na pwedeng inspiration mo rin yan. That you find peace with this person. Okay. Yung iba, meron nga, like business partnership. Na magiging loyal kayo sa isa't isa. The people you are always with influence your future. So, piliin mo yung mga taong lagi mong sasamahan or hahayaan mong maka-influensya sa mga desisyon mo. Kasi, sila yung magsasabi kung ano yung magiging future mo. If you surround yourself yung mga people, mga tao na mahilig sa business or mahilig na maraming mga ideas na magagandang ideas for career or for business, sila yung makakatulong para matupad mo yung goals mo in the future. Importante rin daw na kalma ka, no? Kalmado ka. Hindi ka nagpapastress kahit maraming work. Kumbaga, sinasabing work under pressure na I can work under pressure. You can work under pressure. Honor your own time of harvest. Offer your gifts and blessings as service to the greatest good. Ayan, honoring your own time of harvest. Yes, syempre kanya-kanya tayo ng harvest time kasi hindi naman tayo sabay-sabay lahat nagtanim. Okay? So, kung meron man sa tingin mo na iba, nakakaangat na sa'yo, isipin mo na darating rin yung time mo given that you are doing also your part. No? Pay attention, a powerful message is being communicated to you. So ito na yung powerful message na kino-communicate sa'yo is to focus on your goals and also take care of your health. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye.